Hey everybody, I have my Baker Creek seed haul here to share with you. I have ordered from Baker Creek. This will be my second year ordering from them, and it's always a fun time searching through their catalog or through their website, and I just wanted to share with you what I ordered. So, if you are new to my channel, my name is Tisha and I've been gardening. This will be my 6th year. So anyway, let's get into it before I ramble. So first off, like I said, I wanted to start with some flowers. And last year we grew some marigolds and different things, and that was just fun to have around. It has its benefits as far as keeping pests away from like the tomatoes and attracting pollinators, but they're just pretty to look at. So I'm exploring more into that. And to start off, the Aster Salmon Janina from Baker Creek. Now that is all the flowers that I got from Baker Creek, but I am going to also upload my gardener seed haul and from a few other places, so stay tuned to that. Next I have some beans. I'm going to try soya bean, I guess soybeans. The Chiba Green, I'm going to give that a try, see what that does. So we've grown beans successfully in the past, but never soybeans. Extra early edamame type. Yeah, I like edamame. It's really good, like just steamed with some salt. Looking forward to that. Now, I wanted to try some chickpeas or garbanzo beans, but if you know anything about Baker Creek, you know that they have heirloom seeds, and if you're looking for something fun or funky, maybe something from another country, Baker Creek is the place to go. So I couldn't find regular garbanzo beans on their site, but I found these Kabuli Black, and they are a variety, ancient variety from Afghanistan. So they have like a smoky flavor apparently, and so I'm looking forward to giving those a try. Okra, one of my favorites to grow here because again, they make the most beautiful flowers. We have had great success with the Clemson Spineless. This is called Jing Orange Okra, Asian variety, and it's supposed to offer up these super tender pods, which is what made me want to give this a try because it wasn't on my list to buy another type of colored okra. We tried the pink Okinawa one last year, and it wasn't my favorite. So with that saying it was tender, I was wanting to give it another try because the thing about okra when you buy it from the store, those things are like tough as I don't know what. It tastes like wood sometimes, and it's stringy, and it's just gross because you want to pick them and eat them when they're young. And so sometimes, stuff happens and I forget to pick them. So they get like that even when I grow them myself. So the fact that these are saying that they're super tender, I was wanting to just test that out. Next, I got this Nkrumah 1010 okra, a variety from Ghana. My husband is from Ghana, so if they put like Africa or Ghana on something, I'm gonna give it a look. And I decided, because okra makes such pretty flowers and I really have success growing it in my zone, I would give it a try. Next, I have the Mexican sour gherkin cucumber. They make these teeny tiny little melon shaped cucumbers, I guess. I think some people say it's like a melon. Small cucumber-like fruit look like miniature watermelons. Good fresh or pickled. We love snacking while we're in the garden, my kids and husband and I, so I thought that'd be fun to try. Some parsley. Never grown parsley, but we buy it a lot at the store, so wanted to give that a try. Next, I have a stack of teas. Well, tea-ish. So this is German chamomile, one of my favorite teas to drink, and I thought it'd be cool this year to get into making my own teas. We buy tea pretty much. We keep lots of teas stacked in our cupboard, so it just makes sense to me. So never grown that. It's also flour, mixed pretty flour, but we'll see what happens with that. Now, if you guys follow Roots and Refuge, you've heard the deal about the basil teas. And so I'm definitely going to give that a try. And so I got cinnamon basil. Okay. And I got lemon basil. And I love a good lemon flavor in my tea. So super excited to give these a try. I also, because I was in the tea mood, got stevia, which is, as you know, a natural sweetener. So you can dry this and like just make your tea with it, you know, and have some sweetener. So we'll see. Okay, and I'm back. My other camera died. So I'm gonna finish up here. Actually, that's all for my seed haul as far as what I purchased, but they did send me 2 free seed packs. So I wanted to share those with you. So there's certain thresholds you hit that if you hit that threshold, you get a free seed pack. And I don't know how far that goes up, but it seems like at least it goes a couple of times over. So the first seed pack that I got was this Japanese wasabi radish. We actually purchased this last year and tried to grow it. Radishes, we enjoy, I like growing them because they grow super fast, like your traditional style radish. And the kids like pulling them out. They don't really like to eat them fresh out the garden. I think if you roast them, they lose some of its spice and tang, if you will, and they might be better that way. But we did not really enjoy growing this. So because I want even more seeds, because that's how it goes when you're a gardener, right? I think I'm going to use this to trade and see if I can get some more flowers. So there's that, but I'm extremely grateful for it because then I don't have to give up seeds that I really enjoy growing and want to keep in order to trade. The other seed that I got that I'm actually really excited about is this. Is it Pusa Asita black carrot? We do have some rainbow carrots that we grew last year, and that was fun, but never a black carrot that actually looks purplish. But either way, like I'm extremely excited and grateful for these. So that completes the seed haul. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of what I got for the season. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to plant this year. Thanks for watching. Bye.